How to scan a file or folder for malware with Microsoft Defender on Windows 10. On Windows 10, Microsoft Defender, formerly called Windows Defender, always scans files before you open them unless you've installed a third-party antivirus. You can also perform a quick scan of any file or folder. 2. Here's how. First, find the file or folder you'd like scan. It can be located within File Explorer or on your desktop. Using your mouse cursor, right-click on the item. Right-click on a file to scan it with Microsoft Defender on Windows 10. In the menu that pops up, select Scan with Microsoft Defender. On versions of Windows 10 prior to the May 2020 update, this option will say, Scan with Windows Defender. Select Scan with Microsoft Defender in the right-click menu on Windows 10. A Windows security window will pop up, and the results of the scan will be shown near the top just below the Scan Options heading. If everything is okay, you will see No Current Threats. Microsoft Defender Scan Results. On the other hand, if malware is detected, Microsoft Defender will alert you with a message that says Threats Found, and it will list the file or files that are infected. To remove the threats, click the Start Actions button. Click Start Actions in Microsoft Defender. After clicking Start Actions, Microsoft Defender will remove the threats automatically. And everything should be back to normal. If you'd like more details on what threats were neutralized, click Protection History just below the scan results. Good luck, and stay safe. Related, how to see what malware Windows Defender found on your PC. The above article may contain affiliate links, which help support How to Geek. How to Geek is where you turn when you want experts to explain technology. Since we launched in 2006, our articles have been read more than 1 billion times. Want to know more?